guess what? I just bought a bus. So I've had this idea for a while, and I try to make one other video about this, but basically I bought a bus. So the story all starts because I wanted a vehicle that I could sleep in as well as carry all of my video equipment with a car on a car trailer. So I started looking on the web and I found a step van that would hold the weight, pull a car on Craigslist, and it was at BGA Bus Sale. And I went down and took a look at it. Turns out that they sold it. So after talking to the salesman there, he ended up talking me into this Freightliner Thomas that had 6.5 almost feet tall ceilings. It also had a Mercedes-Benz 4-cylinder engine, and it was a big chassis short bus. So I thought this thing was perfect. I put a deposit down and I kept waiting for my money situation to get right where I wanted it to be, and it ended up being the worst timing. Well, that also worked out good for me to be able to negotiate a better price at the end of March. After giving them a deposit for a couple weeks, I was able to get a little bit better of a price. So I went down to the bank to get the rest of the funds. I am at the bank right now. It is a very long line. I've decided to go through the drive-through, and we will see.
Got a different sound.
Only one little part in the grill. The tires look really good. The stop sign's already gone.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering too. Okay.
Yeah, you can't even see it shaking.
I mean, it's barely shaking. Oh, okay.
See that yellow button?
Okay. It's the steering.
Yep, and then you can, once that's
Oh,
done,
wow.
you can do anything with the steering wheel. These are actually Fords. People don't realize that. This is built on the Ford assembly line. Mercedes bought it.
Oh,
They started building Freightliner buses on the bus line. They started, and then this one here, that one will take you.
Oh, nice.
Well, that's how far you can bounce. Your back wheels are locked up. You cannot, the bus will not move.
Okay, when the button's out, the rear wheels will not move.
Then drive, so you just can't even move.
Okay.
And then your air pressure, if it gets down probably to 30 pounds or 35 pounds,
Okay.
that button's going to pop out automatically, and you're going to be sitting wherever you are. And these buses usually 70 or 80 pounds. The warning light will come on. That is 225. If you get up to there, the computer's going to start shutting you down. It's going to cut half of your cylinders. It's only going to let you run on half of your cylinders.
Oh, wow, which is 2 cylinders now.
It's going to force you to slow down.
Interesting, okay.
Yeah. So you ever get the transmission fluid over 300 degrees, you've harmed the transmission fluid.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So then you need to change the fluid as soon as possible.
Okay.
Change the fluid.
Because now the fluid
If it
is
ever gets up to 300. So on this, I guess that mark is probably where they wanted it. Right? Probably on this. They might have it tuned so that mark is right at 300. But
Okay.
had a lot of gears moving.
Okay. So all
When
that's
you're- when you're
friction
in high
just
gear,
heat.
Right. Once it gets into fourth gear, no gears are moving. You're straight through. You're locked up straight through the transmission. I can feel that air conditioning.
Yeah.
That's pretty fast, actually. You've never driven air brake.
Nope.
They stop.
Okay. So they're very sensitive.
Yeah. You got the same brakes that a semi-truck has. Look how much weight a semi-truck has.
Yeah, that's kind of what I figured. Like I was telling you before, I kind of want to be able to pull a car trailer with it and stuff like that, but the hard part's going to be the hitch now. I'm not sure how low of a hitch I can put on it. Or a drop ball or whatever.
Yeah, you want to get the side of your trailer, and whatever, you're going to pull it on a trailer?
Yeah. car trailer.
I try to flat tow everything.
Yeah, that way the ball side, you can go up and down, doesn't matter.
Exactly.
But my idea is to get a kind of a race car per se. And then use this to take it to the racetrack.
Here's this turbo.
Yeah.
That's a lot of power for a little four cylinder. And if when you're driving down the highway, you keep that turbo sound down like that, there's your fuel mileage.
Oh, okay. And then you just got to get it into the next gear and then keep pulling out a throttle and get it in the next gear, keep pulling out a throttle, I'm assuming.
And this is massive acceleration with a school bus.
Oh, yeah?
Just like driving a race car. We're up to 50 already.
Yeah. So, would you rather have one of those to live in? One of those,
One of those?
yeah.
And if we get in an accident, a car runs into us today, we might have a dent.
We might have a death, is that what you
A
said?
dent.
Oh, a dent. I gotcha.
If a car runs into that, it's kindling wood all over the freeway, chunks of plastic. So if you can stay at 50 or below, your fuel mileage for this might be 16 or 17 miles per gallon.
Huh.
Might be that good.
Yeah.
The faster you go, the more fuel you're going to burn.
Yeah.
And this engine can make power, a lot of power. So it's capable of burning a lot of fuel.
Yeah. What you're asking for it, all the above.
Throttle position.
Yeah.
It's even sensing the yaw of the bus.
What?
Oh yeah.
That's interesting.
They've got these things pretty complicated.
So then the yaw just tells you the wheel speeds, or is it like actual pitch or something of the bus?
Both.
Oh, okay.
Both. And it can sense wheel speeds on both sides, so it knows how sharp of a corner you're going around, and then it feels up as the bus is leaning.
Huh. So right now it's gonna go 35 in fifth gear.
Yeah,
Right.
Probably. Yeah, I get all the way down to 30. Yeah. Well, right there we go. There's 1200 right there.
Huh.
30, 31 or 2 miles an hour. That's where your best fuel mileage is. Right on that corner.
Yeah. So just take the back roads and enjoy the view.
Why not?
That's the way I would think about it.
Let's see along.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull into that grocery store and then you can play with it.
Perfect.
Good parking lot there.
Okay.
Or an air bridge.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. But if I get one for 57,000, you know, then at that point it's hard to say.
Well, this thing really takes off. I wasn't even close to full ground.
So dragging the rear end, is that ever an issue, or what does it matter?
No, now watch this if you run out of air.
Okay. Nice.
You're not going anywhere.
And that's the same as pushing the brake, right? Doing the
It's
actuating?
only back brake.
Oh, okay. So it's like pulling the e-brake in the back. Just,
Yeah.
you know, kind of thing. Stop.
Yeah, close that door over there. You know, close the door.
I'm at down or up?
Yep, down. And we'll see if they work.
Okay, that's interesting.
Okay, there's the yellow. Oh yeah, see the yellow's on?
Oh, okay, up front?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, nice.
And now open the door.
Oh, you have to open, oh, wow.
Now the red will come on. And now your stop sign, is it out?
Oh, nice. No, because there wasn't one. You already removed it.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
And then when you close the door, everything went off.
Oh, it even went all the way off. Nice. And all you had to do is press that on,
Yeah.
just once.
So
and
if
it
you're
blocked
going
out
down the
stuff out.
highway and you accidentally push that button, you gotta open and close your door.
Oh, okay. That's the only way to get it to go off.
Well, see this right here?
Yeah.
If you push that one, it may. Let's see. Nope, doesn't turn it on.
Oh, okay.
So now we gotta open and close the door. You don't have to open it all the way.
Oh, I got you.
Here, hold
The
on.
air and everything was fine.
Yeah, just barely open it and turn it and close it. See that?
Oh, okay. So you don't have to look like a fool. You just sound like a fool and sound like it may be breaking things.
And you hoping nobody was looking.
Yeah.
Actually, a cop.
Oh,
That's called
man.
illegal use of a traffic control device. It's a very major thing. It's actually a misdemeanor. You have to go to court.
Yeah, so I'm gonna probably disconnect them or
I
change
would
the colors for
disconnect.
sure. Yeah. What's this one over here? This is a microphone or like a?
That's a two-way radio.
Oh, okay.
So that would talk back to the school.
Okay, but I probably have
It's got a
to.
PA system in it.
Oh wow. Okay,
I just
so I
don't
can
know how
talk
to
back
turn it
there.
on. I don't know what all the buttons mean anymore.
And does that camera still go back to the school system?
No, it would have a box hidden in here somewhere.
I would assume up in there. Right?
Maybe. That might be why that mirror's loose.
Oh, I got you like pulling it up.
Yep, that's why that mirror's loose. But nothing there.
Yeah, so that cable goes
That's-
around and.
That right there looks like all of the brains for the air conditioning.
Oh, okay.
I think. That's my guess. Usually it's in the battery box. I think they put that inside. Well, that explains why that mirror was loose.
Yeah, because every time they open it, they hit it.
Yep.
Yeah, yeah, and you wouldn't have had anything or had a problem. Oh, good. Yeah, and I mean, that's like worst case scenario is what I was figuring. Like there's a wall there or something, you know? So that's good.
So she is officially mine now. Now I just have to figure out how I'm gonna get it home. She looks really good though. Yeah, as you can tell, the stop sign is already off. So I'll probably, I don't know if water's gonna get in here or not, but I'll have to cover that up. And I'll eventually start removing all of these stickers on the side of here. But otherwise, the paint's pretty good on this. Pretty good looking bus. It's pretty clean and not a lot of issues already. Let me show you the inside. The seat's pretty well torn up, but I always wondered if there's like something left in here or something. It does have air conditioning, but earlier the motor stopped working, so I'm not too sure if that's going to keep working. Alright, so I'm going to call my dad and see if he can come and pick me up, and I will try to take the bus home, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned.